Okay, finally, after many years of fighting this drainage here, there was a natural spring in the ground. I dug it out, and I tied it into my trench that runs all the way down the side of this building, a foundation drainage trench with a 3-inch ADS pipe in here, which I believe is solid. It should have been, there should be some perforated in here too. I just drilled the side wall down as far as I could on the side with a 7/8 inch butterfly bit here with this Milwaukee drill driver, and you can see that it is definitely an empty pipe. It is drawing in a lot of water, and that's the size of a bigger than a commercial sized hose, like bigger than garden hose sized opening. So I figure that should hopefully not allow too much debris in. I don't want to open it up too much. It needs to be enough to flow greater than the input at rest without rain coming in. So they should drain this out real well. And now we can go to the other side over here and we can see where this is. So this is about, from the edge of the building, it is about 2 paces in, and it's right there. It needs to be open at all times. I actually have I have it designed to where that exit, there's an entry pipe over there actually. That's the entry pipe, and I can actually run a hose down in there, charged up with pressure with my pump over here, which is underneath that rubber sheet for protection from freezing. This is the outlet hose line, ADS. It actually got enlarged to 4-inch somewhere about midway. So it enlarges to 4-inch, and now as we can see, there's an increase of flow here, right there, and it's very silty, so that's good news. Now I can finally drain out the shop's foundation up against this hillside much more effectively. So it must have not been getting into the perforations of the joints of the pipes. I've got pipe joints that should have been allowing water to seep in. But boy, just look at that. It is just going. It is just going. And see, because I've got air up there coming in, it will totally empty. And I'm down below the side midway, halfway down the midpoint of the side of the pipe, basically. So that's about as good as it needs to be, or can be. All right, good. That is fucking that. I'm so sick and tired of having all this moisture coming into my building and rusting out my tooling and machine tools and tables and anything metal, iron, even inside my toolboxes. I spent thousands of dollars putting all of my stuff inside toolboxes, and I open them up and they're just complete condensation all over everything. So I'm hoping that this will keep this area drier and keep the moisture out of the building, because it's just a big high humidity, very moist, damp, cold environment, which is just, it's unforgiving to me and to my tools. So that is fucking that. I'm sick of it. Done. I'm done with it. Good. Draining out. Finally. Put this building in 2008 during an El Nino year, and I lost all of my dirt to a bunch of really inept contractors, and just didn't want to give me the time of day to get it done right. Very irritated with it for many years. Look at that baby drain. That's great news. Silt does not seem to be plugging it up either. That's good news. Alright, so it should hopefully stay self-cleaning. I just gotta all mark this area. I know it's right here at the second structural beam. It's right there. So 1 and 2. Trace it down. There it is. 2 paces in from the corner. Right there is the location. So there we go. Thank you, Creator, for your help.